parrot for her. Let's have a look. We're going to blow this up. There we go. Just about maybe 20 centimeters short. Fantastic. I'm just going to fold this up here. Let's have a look here. Have you ever got a balloon animal before? Yeah. They usually make puppy dogs, don't they? Yeah, but this one's going to be a little bit different. I'll fold this up here. I'm going to squeeze this to make two little beaks for you. Squeeze this. There we go. Okay, now let's have a look here. Neck here. Two wings. And just going to make it a little belly here. There we go. Two more for the feet. And then a tail. All right, now let's see if I can try to rearrange this just a little bit better. Make it nice and tidy. Can you see two eyes? Can you see two beaks and a little neck? Can you see two wings and its little belly? And it's got two little claws here with its tail. And I'll show you a neat little trick that you can do with this parrot. I'm going to grab your shirt. And I'm going to perch it right on your shoulder. Look at that, you got a parrot on your shoulder. You can be a pirate for